So today I am fixing the lawnmower with the Briggs and Stratton Quantum XM55 engine. As you can see, I already took out the carburetor, which I have right here, and it's the 6150N carburetor. What happened was that as soon as I put gasoline in the tanks, it started to leak out from around this seal here, which actually came from there. Turns out that I had to replace the valve, and that's what I'm going to do now. I already did this before, so it's easy to open. So here's the floater. This pin, for some reason, very easy to get out. This is the old valve. And the problem is inside. I don't know if you can see it. There is a tiny little red rubber seal, and that's the one that's leaking. So I have to pry that out. Here's the new kit with your new. I'm going to try and get at the O-ring out with a screw. Let's see how that works. Yes, works first time. On the ring, the O-ring or the seal, they are, it seems like two ends. As you can see, it's like almost conical. So there's a shiny part, and there is a part with a little nudge inside. So I would guess that this is the bottom part. And I'm just going to stick it in, hopefully. Okay.